Hello all, welcome to Surely Sadhya. In this video we will be sharing potato wedges recipe. In previous video we had done the unboxing of Pigeon 16 liter OTG.
We'll be using the OTG to bake the potato wedges. So you need 2 potatoes and then you have to peel them. You can use more
if you have a bigger OTG. Now after peeling them, the next step is to
cut them into equal lengths and sizes.
Why cutting is very important here is if we cut it unequally, then it won't be baked evenly. So it's very important to make sure that all the wedges are cut lengthwise and they are of almost equal size.
Next, you have to boil the potatoes in boiling water.
We need not overboil it, just half boiling is sufficient. Meanwhile, we will preheat the OTG. How to do it? Set the temperature to 200 and then set the timer to 10 minutes and put the upper rods for heating. Our potatoes are getting boiled. Now if it is half done, take all these potatoes, drain water and add the spices. What spices do we add?
Chili, salt,
thyme,
methi, thyme,
pepper
and
little bit of olive oil or any kind of oil for coating the spices onto them.
You even need corn flour.
And also corn flour.
We have to mix them and arrange them on the tray. Use parchment paper so that the potatoes don't get stuck to the tray and also it's easily washable.
Yes. Make sure that there is enough space in between the wedges for even distribution of heat. If you have a small OTG like ours, place them in 2 trays, one below the other. If you have a bigger OTG, a single tray will be sufficient. Now set the temperature to 200 and set the timer to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to flip all these potatoes and bake it for 10 minutes more. Put both upper and lower rods for heating since we are using 2 trays. And look at all these potato wedges. How are they looking?
They're looking very tasty.
Yeah. This is the time your kitchen gets filled with nice aroma of the roasting potatoes. How heavenly the smell is.
I'm salivating right now.
Looking at them makes us salivating, you know.
Wonder how good they'll taste.
They are spicy and tasty. So after 10 minutes, what we are going to do is to flip all the potato wedges upside down. This is because we want all the sides to get roasted very well.
And they will be very crispy.
Yes. We have flipped all the wedges upside down now.
And we have to put them back into the oven for
10 more minutes. Now
After that, the potatoes
wedges are ready. We can use
salt. We can sprinkle sauce, oregano or chili powder or salt on top, and then we can serve them with sauce or mayonnaise.
If you like the video, give it a like, and if you want some more videos like this, put it in the comment section and subscribe to our channel.